just got a victorious British Columbia, Taya! Victory!
Everybody who doesn't like Willow goes to hell!
There you go. Her hair is orange up there, and Willow's freaking hair is green, and it's like gold. Yeah. Hey, look. He's wearing a yellow jacket. Wow! One more time! Yeah! One more time! Woo! Yeah, wasn't he? Oh, no, he won! Oh, hey, we're at commercial break, so. Oh, don't let it down anyway. Is there no countouts?
How long have they been out there? I'm pretty sure they would have both been counted out by now anyway. It's 11. Hurry this up. I want to go home.
You're the youngest one out of all of us.
What, he's tired?
Yeah.
No, I just want to go home because because 11, you know.
Is your mom out there waiting for you? Or?
I think she should be here by now. Plus, I want to get out before everyone else does.
It won't be bad. People are going to go to the casino. I already know that.
Oh, for the after party thing?
Yeah.
You know what will?
Huh?
Is that what you said? The after party?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go too.
I don't know.
Hey, maybe we'll see someone in there.
They said they were going to have people there.
They said they were going to?
Yeah.
I'm definitely going there. I really will.
I just don't want to pay $7 good.
We'll go there and see if we can talk to Mark Malibu.
Why? I'm like snapping.
Maybe see if maybe one of them want to come down to our school.
I'm like snapping for that kid having credit.
Yeah, maybe try to see if maybe one of them wants to come down to the school, talk to some of us.
What's that?
I don't know if that rig has a spring.
No, I think that's more like our,
Or like Kevin's showroom.
yeah.
It's the flex tube rig.
Only they have a bar in the center
Yeah.
to prevent sagging.
We're shopping for a new spring.
What's that?
I'm shopping for a new spring.
1, 2.
The one that's on that rig is it holds 500 pounds per inch. That's why it doesn't move. I didn't know that when we got it.
You guys say you need something more flexible?
I need something about. Kevin was like, go with one that's 300. He actually said, go. Kevin was kind of saying, go with a 200, 300, and 400. See what works best. Then return the other one. What he does? What is your dad?
Don't we have to get it welded over to the rims?
No. Those are off of 60 something for a veteran thing. Kevin was saying. but you know as well as I do. That rig that Kevin has in the store, it's one of the nicer rigs out there. Even without the double pattern. I didn't know the young bucks were here. He ain't showing up to Springfield. Come on. Show me Springfield. Come on. Izzy, what's the rules? If you walk around with a belt, you got to defend it, right? Yeah. At least that's the rule of my suites. You show up for my suite with a championship, or you buy a championship, you got to defend the championship. So basically, you're not leaving my suite with your friends. My hook and my foot, I'm leaving it there.
Just like if you come in dressed as Adam Page, you're supposed to carry around a syringe.
Hey. She can do that.
What, the syringe?
Hey.
I mean, it is Springfield.
I can probably get my hands on it over here.
And it. 1, 2, 3.